Cheers. Hi, people. I'm sitting outside on the deck enjoying this lovely day, and I've been cooking all day. Um, I don't know if I've mentioned this before because I hate mentioning it. I'm on a diet, and not on a diet because I don't like the way I look. No, let me backtrack a little. I don't like my tum-tum area, so I've been dieting and exercising and doing things I need to do to drop some amount of pounds just to feel better, feel like a more capable individual. That's what it's all about, really. Like feeling like a more capable person. And yes, I know I should quit smoking if I want to feel more capable. But as it stands now, I'm just working on diet and exercise. So I've been cooking all day. I made a low carb cheesecake, which tastes delicious. Like, I didn't think Splenda was that great until now, because Splenda has made this cheesecake everything I wanted it to be and more. And what else did I make? I made low carb lasagna, and I used zucchini instead of noodles. So that sounds delicious, and it's in the oven. And I'm gonna have an early dinner, and then just rock the fuck out. So that's where I'm at this evening. Um, yeah, I hate diets. I do, but at the same time, like, alright, let me be perfectly clear here. I was watching my videos, and I don't like this. That. So, I'm working to fix that, as well as the tum-tum issue. Yeah, it's whatever. Whatever will make me feel healthier, feel more capable, physically capable. Like, let's talk about sex for a second. I can't be on top because I get tired. So what was my response to that? I started exercising. I started walking. It seemed logical. And things have gotten better in that department. Um, so far, I've lost 9 pounds. Okay, I'll take that. Sorry, I'm squinting because the sun is right in my face. Yeah, I look rough. I slept over at Hans's last night, my boyfriend. Um, it was good. No, we did not have sex. I did not test this on top theory out last night. Um, we just talked and we just goofed off, and our relationship has been really strong for the last couple months. And it wasn't for a while there. For a while, we nearly broke up, and I decided to exercise patience and make changes, and he made changes, and now we're pretty gold, you know. But it was good. Usually my snoring kicks him to the couch, but he decided to be accommodating and get earplugs. That's how bad my snoring is. If I lose weight, my snoring will subside, according to my doctor. Because I have this sleep apnea thing. That's another reason why I'm trying to lose weight. So the snoring kind of diminishes. But Hans's snoring last night kicked me to the couch because I just couldn't take it anymore. And that wasn't bad. I don't mind it. Snoring is snoring. I don't mind taking the couch for a night. He's really congested. He's sick, you know. Don't. That makes me feel bad for him. Anyway, I'm gonna go check on my lasagna, and I might eat a piece of my cheesecake because I firmly believe in dessert before dinner. But I'll catch up with you guys later. Maybe later when the sun's not in my face. Bye.